don't believe everything you see on YouTube. Yeah. The thing. Hi folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. My name's John.
And I'm Carol.
We'd like to welcome any new viewers and our old viewers back. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down here. It's free to subscribe, it won't cost you a penny. Also hit the like and the notification button, so every time we upload a new video you'll have a notification. Well, what's this video about? Well, I've been saying for a little time now I was going to show you the solar system. Well, it's up and running now. I've finished everything, with one thing that I'm not too pleased about, and that is the Sterling battery to battery. It's awkward to see if it's actually working or not properly because it's hidden away. So what we've decided to do is to go on and install a Victron battery to battery one, so we can monitor it on our phone. So enjoy this part of the video that's coming up. I will not go into how I wired it up. I'm a qualified electronics engineer. I wouldn't advise anybody to do this themselves unless you're really confident. You need to understand that one mistake and you could get up in the night and your motorhome could be in flames. So please really research what you're going to be doing. Here we go. As you can see, I've came through the roof and the ceiling into the cupboard. The white wires here are for the Wi-Fi. The black ones are the solar panels. I had to take out all the trunking, all the controls panel here, get it down the back there, then it goes all the way through under the sink, down a panel there, which comes back out the back of the cupboards here, under the seat, down into the underfloor space, down here, under here, and these are where we've got the 4 lithium batteries and the underfloor space. Okay folks, as you can see now, this is the brains of the solar system. You've got your normal habitation controller, battery controller over there. This little box just here, that controls one solar panel to the starter battery, keep that topped up. This is a Sterling B2B. This is being replaced. I'm not happy with this. It's big, it's bulky, and it's hard to tell what it's actually doing. It's too big to go on this side of the cupboard. So to see what we're doing, we've got to have the seats up and everything. It's just a pain in the backside. So I've actually got the Victron B2B to go into there. Feeding in from the battery, you've got your input to your B2B with a 30 amp trip, then coming out to the batteries from the B2B you've got another 30 amp going into this bus here. This is all the wires from this is actually feeding into the batteries. This is a feed in, this is negative feed in. You then got the wire coming from the battery into the bus bar. This is a smart bus shunt. It will actually lets you know, as you can see, a little blue light flashing. That's Bluetooth as well, so we can keep an eye on what that's actually doing. Then this bus bar is your positive out to feed all the fuses and to feed the electrics into the motorhome. This is the negative for it. Extra fuse bank here. So that's basically the brains of it. As I said, I've got another smart battery controller, a solar controller, which is this one here. That will be going in tomorrow, and also the Victron Orion Tri Smart isolated DC to DC controller. That will also be going in tomorrow. It's only a 5-minute job, but again, I will not show you how I actually done that, install them, because if you're not capable of doing it, then I wouldn't want to cause you to burn your motorhome down or cause any other problems with your electrics. That is it. Okay, thanks for joining us up to now. I'll go back to Carol and myself. Speak to you soon. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed that part of the video. I know it's not teaching you anything, it's just showing you what I've done. I'll now show you on my phone what power we've been getting out of the solar system over the last week. Well, 4 days I think it is.
Yeah.
So bear with me while I get my phone on and I'll walk you through it. Okay, this is the Victron Connect app. This is the main solar panel, the 460 watt solar panel. At the moment, you'll see we've just got float. It's just basically trickle charging the batteries. So bear with us. As you can see, 0 watts going in. So if we go to history, down here, as you can see, for the last 5 days we've had 9 kilowatt hours of solar panel. On average each day we're getting between 1.4 and I think the highest we've had is 2.1. That's just from the one solar controller. So if we go back now to the second one, which is the bottom one, again, as you can see, it's on float. So if we go to history, out of that one alone for the last 5 days we've had 5 kilowatts. So again, on average we're getting a kilowatt from the 2 rear smaller solar panels. So you can see there, in total I've had 14 kilowatts of power in the last 5 days. So smart shunt. As you can see, the battery's 100%. Everything's hunky-dory. We've used less than a kilowatt power today, so everything seems to be okay and working right. So there you go, folks. That's basically what you get with your solar panel. Let me just show you shunt again in case you missed it. There you go, folks. As you can see, we're 100%, and that is about it really. the battery is 100% full. So there's no real information on what's happened because the last couple of days we've not used any power. So that's it. Look, in total I think we've had 14 kilowatts of power, kilowatt hours, sorry, in the last 5 days. So I think we're plenty of power. But I've got, like I said, I've got one more controller to go in. Sorry, let me move that out of the way. I've got one more controller to go in, which we're going in sometime tomorrow. And I'm replacing the B2B that's in there with a Victron one. This way I'll be able to actually just monitor everything from my phone, and it'd be 10 times easier than what using the Sterling one that's in there. And there you go, folks. But back to Carol. Okay, here we go again. Well, there you go, folks. You've seen what I've done. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you have any questions, stick a comment below and I'll get back to you. And if you want advice on how to do it, I'm more than willing to speak to you either on YouTube or even through Facebook. We could do a video chat if you need any help. Just give me your name and your Facebook page and we'll arrange to go through what you need to understand and how to get through it. If you're new to the channel, I'd just like to say, well, thanks for sticking with us. I know this video's been a bit longer than usual. If you don't mind, just down here in the corner there's a little box. If you can click on the box and subscribe to our channel, it's free, it's not going to cost you a penny. Do a like, hit the notification button, that way you know every time we upload you're going to get a notification so you can come back and watch us. So once again, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and most of all, happy travelling.
You stole my line.
Okay, go on then.
Happy travelling.
Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.